Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use GitHub Copilot without downloading a single piece of software. You can do everything right from your browser. First you're going to log into your GitHub account and make sure you have Copilot enabled. Once that's set, you're going to navigate to any of your repositories. I'm just going to open this test repository that I have, and then to start a conversation with the AI, just look for the Copilot icon, usually at the top of your screen right here. So you can see this chat with Copilot. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on that. And then when you click it, a chat panel will open. This is where the magic happens. You can ask Copilot to explain a specific file, find errors in your code, or even help you plan out new features. For example, let's type in explain how the main.css file in this repo works, and it will give you a full breakdown. If you want to actually write code, you can use the chat to generate snippets as well. Just tell it what you need, like create a navigation bar from a header, and it will give you the code. Now you can then copy and paste that directly into your files using GitHub's built-in editor. Another cool trick is using the search bar at the top. So you would usually have a search bar right here, or you can also just, if you cannot find it, you can just use this new chat button right here, and then you can start a new chat, and then you can type your coding questions directly there. And Copilot will provide answers based on your project's context. It's perfect for quick fixes when you're on the go and don't have your main computer. And that's how you use GitHub Copilot 100% in the cloud. It's fast, easy, and requires zero installation. And that's it. That is how you can use Copilot in GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.